Hi everyone, I'm Liang Yuanxin, your lecturer for DEC 50143 CMOS Integrated Circuit Design and Fabrication. Today, we will learn how to draw stick diagram for static CMOS logic circuit. Definition of stick diagram: a graphical view of a layout or cartoon of a chip layout. It is easy to draw without follow a scale. Stick diagram convey layer information through color codes or monochrome encoding. It can be designed based on the schematic logic circuit diagram. Now, we are going to draw stick diagram for 2-input NAND gate. Before we draw stick diagram, we must know: first, equation; second, static CMOS circuit; third, stick diagram. The equation for 2-input NAND gate is Z equal to A dot B bar. Based on the equation Z equal to A dot B bar, pull-up network is in parallel, while pull-down network is in series, which we have learned previously. To draw the stick diagram, label S source and D drain. The first step is that we label S for source at the top of PMOS and D for drain at the bottom of PMOS. Same as NMOS, but this time we label D at the top of NMOS and S at the bottom of NMOS. After finishing labeling on each PMOS and NMOS, it is time to draw the stick diagram. Stick diagram: A. Trace a yellow line horizontally to represent the PMOS diffusion for PMOS devices. B. Trace a green line horizontally to represent the NMOS diffusion for NMOS devices. C. Trace the number of input red line, 2 in this example, vertically cross each yellow and green line. This represents the gate contacts to the devices that are made of poly. Label each poly line as A and B in order from left to right. Now, we can see it has 4 transistors. 1 PMOS for A, 1 PMOS for B, 1 NMOS for A, 1 NMOS for B. D. Trace a blue line horizontally above the PMOS line and down NMOS line respectively to represent the metal 1 of VVD and VSS. E. Place the connection labels upon the NMOS and PMOS devices. Pull-up network. Place S and D on each PMOS according to the static CMOS circuit for 2-input NAND gate. Pull-down network. Place S and D on each NMOS according to the static CMOS circuit for 2-input NAND gate. F. Place the connection upon the NMOS and PMOS devices. Pull-up network. Trace through blue line vertically to represent the metal 1 from S for both poly A and poly B to connect to VDD. Don't forget to put a contact X. Pull-down network. Trace a blue line vertically to represent the metal 1 from S of poly B to VSS. Don't forget to put a contact X. G. Place the output connection. Pull-up network. Trace a blue line vertically to represent the metal 1 from D for both poly A and poly B to connect to output. Don't forget to put a contact X. Pull down network. Trace a blue line vertically to represent the metal 1 from D of poly A to connect to output. Don't forget to put a contact X. Finally, we successful to draw the stick diagram for 2-input NAND gate. Hopefully, throughout this video, you will get better understanding on drawing stick diagram for static CMOS circuit. Thank you.